Hey man, thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. Just a quick word before the intro to the video kicks in. I did film this quite a while ago. I've just been lazy. I have an illness that makes it kind of hard for me to get up and do stuff every now and then. Sometimes I just get really tired and I don't want to do a goddamn thing. So you'll just have to kind of excuse my big pauses in uploads. Sometimes it just gets a little overkill and I gotta rest. So bear with us as far as uploads go, and I hope you enjoy the video.
What's scare?
The mail truck sounds pretty beefy.
All right, I'm recording, by the way.
I think it sounds better than my Subaru's kind of. All right, so this is my 2000 Forester. I bought the. Oh.
Did your battery die?
My battery already died.
Aww, still does.
That wasn't cool. Alright, so this is my 2000 Forester SF9. I don't know why it's a 9 versus a 5, but whatever. Normally these are SF5s. I hate this thing. This motor has been nothing but a problem. I'm so camera shy right now, it's ridiculous.
So we're gonna blows it up.
Why does my shit keep turning off? Dude, that's not cool, man.
I'll edit that out.
Whatever. Alright then. Yeah, I just put timing belt on. I'm pretty sure this motor's fucked. If I start it, it clacks, it knocks. I'm pretty sure Rodney's gonna come say hi to us, so let's start it and see what happens. If it doesn't run, or if it runs and it knocks real bad, we're just gonna hold it at redline until it blows up.
What are our hopes for it after we're done?
This is it. It's going. What?
Your camera just turned off again. Smoke. Send it.
Whoa! Did you hear that?
I hate loud noises.
Oh man!
It is smoky.
It's a little knocky. Yeah, it's about this head right here. Can you hear it?
It's this one. It's got probably both.
If there's, oh no, it's definitely knocking on the crank. That's in the crank right there. Let's turn on our handy dandy exhaust fan. Alright, we're gonna start it up, see how bad it is.
Yeah.
That was it. Oh yeah, good look. Spewing. Oh, you smell that?
It smells like your mom's wet ass.
Oh, it smells bad. Ah, it seized. That's it.
Hold on. Oh. So far, it sounds like he busted the timing belt's doing good, but it looks like the valves are completely destroyed, or he's not turning that crank, or the piston rods came off. And it's not seized, but she's also not creating compression when trying to turn over. So we'll probably tear apart the motor, see exactly what we did to destroy it. It smells very bad in here. Or, yeah, I said either we busted connecting rods, or your valves are destroyed because as you're turning it over, there was no compression being made. So either the cylinders aren't pushing, or the valves are stuck open.
Just sit there smoking out of the valve. Probably bleeding.
But I know it's not the timing belt, because the timing belt's still good.
The timing belt's still on.
Yeah, yeah. As you were cranking it, I noticed it was still on. So it is definitely smoking more than you at a fucking hemp rally. So
I wonder if it's still on time.
only one way to find out.
Well, yeah.
I think it is. I don't think it jumped or anything.
I don't think it did.
I'm gonna get that good light in there. Okay. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's still on.
Yeah, it's still on there. See? Yeah. Hold on. Shine it on the block. See if we can't get any noticeable here and there. Okay. So, Jay, why don't you go ahead and try to crank it over so that way we can get the sound recorded. Monkey Mike. Who cares? I'm a junkie with a monkey.
Oh, they're in my pocket.
Sometimes it creates compression, sometimes it doesn't. No, we destroyed either the cam or the or the valves are destroyed. That's probably what was knocking. Oh, wait. Do that again?
What?
Crank it again? It is definitely smoking more than you at a fucking hemp rally, so...
I wonder if it's still on time.
Only one way to find out.
Well, yeah.
I think it is.
Hey, what is up, my people? Okay, so if you made it through the rest of that video, good on you. We're gonna let the GoPro footage that was sitting, what, right here? This guy? Yeah, over here. So, we're gonna let that run, and you can see the completely uncut footage of how that thing basically came apart. Don't worry, my hair is not douchey. I got a mohawk. It just looked kind of weird for a minute there, but, you know, that's how we roll. Anyway, so, yeah, as you can see at the moment, we've been doing a bunch of stuff. We got the adapter plate fully mocked up. I'm going to be picking up the regional flywheel tomorrow that will mount on the back of the J series. It's hanging out back there. And we've got everything but the actual adapter plate spacing for the adapter that goes in between the J series crank and the Subaru flywheel with the new bolt pattern. And we have a solid mass flywheel. Sorry, I don't mean to say a whole bunch of times. We have a solid mass flywheel that will be showing up tomorrow in the mail. And the one that we had re-drilled was a dual mass, but I wasn't going to spend any more money on something that might just get tossed away. So for the meantime, we're just going to go ahead with that, and we'll get mated up in there. And our plate is going to accommodate for the slave cylinder here, which most of them don't, but we're going to find a way to make that happen. So I hope you enjoyed watching us destroy the Subaru. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that junk, and alright, later. That'd be easier to control the zoom. Okay. Alright. You wanna start on this side? There's so much glare, I can't see your face. What am I supposed to say? Introduce the car. Truck sound pretty beefy, right? I'm recording, by the way. I think it sounds better than my Subaru's gonna. All right, so this is my 2000 Forester. I bought the. Oh, did your battery die? My battery already died. Oh, still does. Dude, that wasn't cool. That one good? Hi. We're gonna keep that video. All right, I gotta start it over again. Like. Discuss what we're doing. Wait, why did this stop? I just stopped? Yeah. Is it out of memory? That was weird. Alright, it's going now. Okay. And starting again. Alright, so this is my 2000 Forester SF9. I don't know why it's a 9 versus a 5, but whatever. Normally these are SF5s. I hate this thing. This motor has been nothing but a problem. I'm so camera shy right now. It's ridiculous. So we're gonna blows it up. Why does my shit keep turning off? Dude, that's not cool, man. I'll edit that out. Whatever. Alright then. Yeah, I just put the timing belt on. I'm pretty sure this motor's fucked. If I start it, it clacks, it knocks. I'm pretty sure Rodney's gonna come say hi to us, so let's start it and see what happens. If it doesn't run, or if it runs and it knocks real bad, we're just gonna hold it at red line until it blows up. Our hopes for it after we're done. This is it. It's going. What? Your camera just turned off again.
Yeah, it's smoky. It's a little knocky. Yeah, it's about this head right here. You hear it? It's got probably both.
Oh, oh no, it's definitely knocking on the crank. That's in the crank right there. Let's turn on our handy dandy exhaust fan. After we went down the road in the back there.
Woo! Just drain the oil.
Drain the oil.
Oh yeah, that'll blow her up real quick.
Alright. Drain the oil.
I did that to my dad's. I stopped it.
Oh.
I did that to my dad's Daytona. But it wasn't me purposely. The
I figured we just put water in the oil.
no. It
You don't
won't
think
do-
so?
No, drain the oil. Run her dry. Then what she'll do is she'll start to seize with the higher RPM, and she'll seize up. And if she's going good enough, she'll try to bend. She'll probably bend her rod.
That's what I'm hoping for. Hoping it'll take a Rodney. Usually, they blow. They do it all the time on their own, right here. They'll blow right here.
No.
Ooh, what's that clocking sound? All right, hold on. Let's start up again. Let me know when you film.
I don't know.
All right.
Well,
All right, we're gonna start it up. See how bad it is. Come here. Hey, come here. Ah! It turned off on its own. That was it. Look. That was it. Oh yeah, come look. Spew. Oh, you smell that?
It smells like your mom's wet ass.
Oh, it smells bad. Ah, it's seized. That's it.
Hold on. Hold on, Jay.
I can't believe it's actually trying to start.
No, you're trying to start it.
Come out of there.
No. So far, sounds like he busted a. The timing belt's doing good, but it looks like the valves are completely destroyed, or he's not turning that crank, or the piston rods came off. It's not seized, but she's also not creating compression when trying to turn over. So we'll probably tear apart the motor, see exactly what we did to destroy it. It smells very bad in here. Or, yeah, I said either we busted connecting rods, or your valves are destroyed because as you're turning it over, there was no compression being made. So either the cylinders aren't pushing, or the valves are stuck open.
You just sit there smoking out of the valve, out of the breather.
But I know it's not the timing belt because the timing belt's still good.
Timing belt's still on.
Yeah, yeah. As you were cranking it, I noticed it was still on. So it is definitely smoking more than you at a fucking hemp rally. So
I wonder if it's still on time.
only one way to find out.
Well, yeah.
I think it is. I don't think it jumped or anything.
I don't think it did.
Let me get that good light in there. Okay. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's still on.
Yeah, it's still on there. See? Yeah. Hold on. Shine it on the block. See if we can't get any noticeable here and there. Okay. So, Jay, why don't you go ahead and try to crank it over so that way we can get the sound recorded. Monkey mic. Who cares? I'm a junkie with a monkey.
Oh, there's my pocket.
Compression, sometimes it doesn't. No, we destroyed either the cam or the yeah, or the valves are destroyed. That's probably what was knocking. Oh wait, do that again.
What?
Crank it again. Okay. I bet you we busted a connecting rod. It sounds like that because every now and then you hear it slapping.
You lost with Rodney?
I don't think one came through the block.
Aw, no, Rodney came to say hi.
It probably broke at a point where it doesn't come all the way out of the cylinder wall.
Well, I didn't hear any pop, and I don't see like any fluid spewing out, which is that's anticlimactic.
Yeah, well, shitty motor gets a shitty ending.
Yeah. Fucking annoying.
But nothing on that.
Now it's time to pull it apart and see what happens.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
go. Come here. Rosie, come on.
we probably destroyed, and it's all on film.
You want to pull that in brake and put it down?
Oh, I was gonna set this down. All right. That was fun.
That was awesome. Oh, I've never blown up motor. We didn't blow it up. It still ran.
Yeah. Remember the slant 6 and the Duster?
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
True.
Whee! All right, we're
Okay, let's slow down. It's still squealing. It's not the tires. It's the fucking motor.
Oh, we have this one still going, I think.